They can hold the bridges over the Rhine. Lieutenant Colonel, your unit will advance along the river and capture key bridges. First, move out and secure the railway bridge.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Ready, sir.
Infantry ready.
Got it.
Any orders, sir?
Affirmative. Orders? Any orders, sir?
Orders? Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move. Infantry reporting for duty. Infantry ready, sir. Moving.
Awaiting orders. On the way.
Awaiting orders.
Infantry move. Infantry ready. Infantry moving.
Yes. Affirmative.
Infantry ready. Infantry ready. Infantry on the move.
Sir, the railway bridge seems to be gone. The Jerrys blew it up just when we arrived. Enemy! There!
All right, proceed further east and capture the pontoon bridge the Jerrys built. Come on! Moving!
Awaiting orders.
On the way.
Need medical assistance?
Ready, sir.
Yes.
Ready, sir.
On the way!
Transport ready.
Infantry reporting for duty.
Target in sight. Ready, sir.
Awaiting orders. Reporting for duty.
On the way!
One more bites the dust. Medic reporting.
Orders? Yes.
Take resistance. Orders.
Orders?
Reporting for duty.
Orders?
Yes?
Infantry ready.
Ready, sir.
Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move. Infantry.
Transport ready.
Infantry reporting for duty.
Any orders, sir?
Yes, sir. Affirm. Yes, sir. Infantry moving.
Transport ready.
Hostile units. Awaiting orders.
Orders?
Any orders, sir?
Any orders, sir?
Ready, sir.
Affirm.
Transport ready. Yes.
Need medical assistance?
Ready, sir.
Come on! Infantry reporting for duty.
Transport ready.
Awaiting orders.
Awaiting orders. Yes, sir.
Infantry ready.
Target in sight.
Tank position.
Awaiting orders.
Come on!
Ready, sir.
Yes, sir. On the way.
Awaiting orders.
Infantry moving.
Truck reporting for duty. Affirmative.
Infantry reporting for duty. Yes.
Commander, these blasted Germans dismantled their pontoon bridge, sir. Fire at the
We may still have a last chance to cross over. Advance quickly further east and assault the main road bridge.
Reinforcements arrived.
Ready for battle.
Medic moving.
Any orders, sir? Infantry moving. Infantry ready. Hurry up!
Orders? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Orders? Truck reporting for duty. Transport ready. Infantry moving. Affirmative.
Awaiting orders.
Moving, sir. Infantry on the move.
Enemy sighted.
Target destroyed. Yes. Attack! Target destroyed. Transport ready.
Applying first aid.
Target destroyed.
Awaiting orders. Fire at the target.
Shoot them. Target destroyed. Yes, sir. Infantry reporting for duty. Fire!
Bullseye!
Ready, sir.
Shoot them.
Attack!
Hail of bullets. Truck reporting for duty. Fire! Target destroyed.
Orders?
Affirmative. Ready, sir. Ready for battle. Any orders, sir? Awaiting orders. Moving, sir.
Any orders, sir?
Infantry ready. Infantry on the move.
Orders?
Orders.
Yes, sir.
Reporting for duty.
Yes, sir.
Orders? Affirmative. Truck reporting for duty. Transport ready. Truck reporting for duty. Awaiting orders. Orders? Hurry up! Awaiting orders.
Anti-tank soldier ready. Machine gun moving.
Ready, sir. Orders? Come on!
Need medical assistance?
Any orders, sir? Ready for battle.
Anti-tank moving.
Any orders, sir?
Anti-tank moving.
Infantry reporting for duty. Come on!
Medic reporting.
Come on! Yes, sir. Infantry reporting for duty. Orders?
Orders?
Infantry moving. Truck reporting for duty. Orders?
Yes.
Awaiting orders.
Reporting for duty.
Infantry on the move. Yes, sir.
Got my bandages ready.
Anti-tank move.
Medic reporting.
Reporting for duty.
Awaiting orders.
Yes.
Need medical assistance?
Moving. Come on!
Reporting for duty.
Yes, sir.
Need medical assistance? Any orders, sir?
Infantry moving.
Orders?
Infantry moving. On the way. Moving.
Ready, sir.
Infantry on the move.
Yes, sir. Any orders, sir?
Reporting for duty. Need medical assistance?
Feindliche
Enemy!
gesichtet.
Infantry.
Yes, sir. Yes. Reporting for duty. Need medical assistance? Reporting for duty.
Orders?
Ready, sir.
Yes.
Orders?
Moving to where you need me. Moving to where you need me.
Feind gesichtet!
Ready, sir. Come on!
Yes? Awaiting orders. Medic moving. Any orders, sir? Awaiting orders.
Any orders, sir?
Affirmative.
Awaiting orders.
Yes, moving, sir.
Target in sight.
Medic reporting.
Yes.
Attack!
Fire at the target.
Orders.
Kill him!
Yeah! Anti-tank moving. Ready, sir.
Moving to where you need me.
Reporting for duty.
Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. Reporting for duty.
Anti-tank moving.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any orders, sir? Moving.
Ready for battle.
Anti-tank soldier reporting for duty.
Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. Got my bandages ready.
Yes, sir. Infantry on the move.
Ready, sir.
Truck reporting for duty. Yes. Affirmative. Truck reporting for duty.
Orders.
Transport ready. Yes.
Medic reporting.
Anti-tank moving.
Awaiting orders. Yes, sir.
Awaiting orders. Call HQ immediately, Private. Fire!
Sorry, sir, but the radio stopped receiving altogether. It's got to be beat to hell.
Awaiting orders.
Men, we're withdrawing. Fall back and move right into those buildings on the double.
Hurry up!
Truck reporting for duty.
Medic moving.
Infantry moving.
Medic moving.
Transport ready. Truck reporting for duty.
Medic reporting.
Awaiting orders.
Reporting for duty. Hurry up! Yes, sir.
Need medical assistance?
Jolly good. We make our stand here, gents. Expect a tough assault.
Transport ready. Truck reporting for duty.
Anti-tank soldier ready. Machine gun oiled and ready. Reporting for duty. Anti-tank moving. Yes. Machine gun moving.
Ready for battle.
Machine gunner reporting for duty.
Hostile.
Brace yourselves. They're coming. Anti-tank moving.
Reporting for duty.
Feindliche Einheit!
Enemy destroyed!
Reporting for duty.
Infantry moving. Enemy destroyed!
Anti-tank moving.
Affirmative.
Moving to where you need me.
Yes.
Feindliche Einheit!
Enemy destroyed! Infantry moving. Hurry up! Infantry on the move.
For king and country!
Der Feind!
Machine gun oiled and ready. Awaiting orders. Hail of bullets! They have us surrounded. Try that radio again, Private.
I'm sorry, sir. This piece of junk just won't bloody work.
But, gentlemen, do not give them an inch. We must fight for our lives here.
Bullseye! Ready, sir.
Anti-tank soldier ready. On the way. Destroying the target.
Awaiting orders.
Orders. Anti-tank soldier ready.
Feindliche Einheit!
Any orders, sir? Machine gun moving.
One more fighting post.
Enemy sighted. Machine gun moving. Destruction! I need a medic! Hurry up!
Reporting for duty. Orders?
Ready, sir.
Infantry reporting for duty.
Thursday, September 28th, 1944. Up to now, it was incredible how well thought out and prepared everything was. As maniacal and chaotic as the battles themselves seemed, we could trust that there was a higher plan, that everything was pushing forward towards it. I'm not so sure about that. My men were bogged down in Nijmegen, but the real heroic effort was further up north in Arnhem. Last night, I met Willem, a boy who's working for the Dutch resistance. He told me about the valiant efforts of our British allies who took the Arnhem bridges. He spoke about them like heroes or gods. They were holding the bridge against the German attacks for days and lost hardly any men. They must have had a brilliant commander. Naturally, he found that the British were very fond of Montgomery's infantry tactics and used them to hold the bridge. If he is right, their commander must have been well skilled and chose well. It seems our advance into Germany has encountered its first major setback. Ideally, we should have already crossed the mighty Rhine, marching towards Berlin. But instead, we keep fighting for the bridges over its little tributaries. I understand the importance of getting supply routes, but still I can't help but feel for my men. I hope this is all worth the effort.
Operation Market Garden took place between September 17th and September 27th of 1944, primarily in the Netherlands. The combined air-ground operation was comprised of Air Landing Operation Market and Ground Operation Garden. Their goal was to circumvent the German defense lines and have British and American troops invade Germany as quickly as possible. Within just 4 days of Operation Market, close to 40,000 Allied paratroopers had been dropped behind enemy lines, making this the largest aerial insertion to date. Despite the Allied efforts, the Germans managed to fend off the attack and inflict major losses on the Allied troops.